Hello, in this video, we will introduce defining non-member functions for overloading operators. Let's look at this expression here, R1 plus 4. In the preceding video, we defined the constructor for converting an integer to a rational number. So this is fine, R1 plus 4. Let's go to the Visual Studio. So this is Visual Studio here. So please see that in the header file, we define this constructor. So this is for convert an int to rational. And this is the implementation of this constructor. So the denominator is 1. Now here's the test. This is R1 plus 4. So 4 is converted into a rational number 4/1 plus this R1 is 2/3. So let's look at the result and see if this is correct. It is correct. The result is 14/3, so that's correct. But what happens if we switch this to operands? So now I'm going to write 4 plus R1. You see the problem? This is not allowed. How do we fix it? To fix this, we have to do the following. To redefine this operator as a non-member operator. So what we have to do is to go back to the header file. And this is plus right here. So I'm going to move this plus out of this class. Put it outside right here. So this is going to be a non-member. So I'm going to have these two numbers here. First, second. So this is going to be the first number here, first. And it's a non-member function. So you cannot have constant member for non-member function. So this is the operator still, right? So this is the operator. So these two numbers add together, return a new rational. So let's implement this in the implementation file. So here is the implementation file. I'm going to have this at. So this is no longer a member function. And we have this is not to be const, and this is first rational, and this is second. So when you add, so you're going to perform first rational dot add second rational. With this change, now go back to this test program. It is fine now. So that's what you need to do. For the for you to be able to write this is integer plus a rational number, you need to define this plus operator as a non-member operator. So we're going to define the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So all this binary operations and define it as non-member functions. And also here for the relational operators, we can define it as non-member functions. That is all for this section on defining non-member functions for overriding operators. See you on the next video.